Namaste. Today we are going to learn how to do downward facing dog, or in Sanskrit, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Downward facing dog can help us to strengthen our arms, shoulders, and legs. Besides that, it can help us to stretch our hamstrings, calves, and spine too. Downward facing dog pose can improve our posture and circulation. Moreover, it calms the mind and reduces stress. Firstly, from sitting position, go to all four position. Begin on your hands and knees with your hands slightly in front of your shoulders and your knees directly under your hips. Then spread your fingers wide and press your palms firmly into the mat. Curl your toes under. As you exhale, slowly lift your hips up and back, straightening your legs. Then slowly press your hands and feet firmly into the mat, creating a V shape with your body. Let your head hang heavy between your arms. Stay here for a few breaths. Keep your legs active and engaged. You can bend your knees when your hamstrings are tight. Press your heels towards the floor, but don't worry if they don't touch. Keep your arms straight but not locked. Rotate your upper arm slightly outward. Lengthen your spine by drawing your tailbone towards your pubic bone. Neck relax. To exit from this pose, slowly bend your knees and put them on the mat, then back to your seated position.